We need to survive and we need to win. We're on the edge. What do we do? So we need to change. So we need to change. So we need to change. So we need to change.
Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything.
Hello, is it me you're looking for? Sorry, it's all that you can say.
Di mo alam dahil sa'yo ako'y di makakain. Di rin makatulong buhat ang iyong kohit. Kung ako'y muling iibig sana. Help! I need somebody. Help! Not just anybody. Help! You know I need someone. Help! When I was young, was so much younger than today. I never needed anybody's help in any way. But now these days are gone, I'm not so self-assured. Now I find I've changed my mind and open up the doors. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down, and I do appreciate you being round. Help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please, please help me?
Oh yeah. Here I go. Ahoy, ahay mga manoy, mga manay. Akong inyong lingkod, DJ Vijay. Nandito ko para maghanap buhay. At your service, DJ Bombay. Pumili na kayo, maganda na, mura pa. Ito ang aking mga paninda. Medyo may konting mga diferensya, pero lahat original, hindi pirata.
Stop right now, thank you very much.
Tell me, where did I go wrong?
Ayoko na sa'yo, nasasaktan mo pa. Problema ka lang sa akin. Ayoko na sa'yo, ako'y litong-lito. Puro sakit ng ulo. Aling pang
Saan ako nagkamali? Bakit ako ngayon'y sawi? Ba't luha ang iyong sukli?
Halika na, pumikit, limutin ang problema. Hihintayin ang umaga. The momentum and the moment are in rhyme. Give me this moment, this precious chance. I'll gather up my past and make some sense at last. This is the moment when all I've done, when all the dreaming, scheming and screaming become one. This is the day, see it sparkle and shine, when all I've lived for becomes mine. For all these years I've faced the world alone, and now the time has come to prove to them I've made it on my own. This is the moment.
So, the first thing that we need to do to continue being successful is jump, right? Jump. Accept the change.
Gonna make a change for once in my life. It's gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. As I turn up the collar on my favorite winter coat, this wind is blowing my mind. I see the kids in the street with not enough to eat. Who am I to be blind, pretending not to see their need? A son's disregard, a broken bottle